Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. There are many reasons why Wi-Fi is not working on a system. However, there are some troubleshooting methods you can try out to fix Wi-Fi issue on your Chromebook. First of all, start by checking your Wi-Fi connection. For that, simply click on clock Wi-Fi and battery icon, and here simply turn on Wi-Fi option and simply connect to the Wi-Fi network. After that, try to use internet on your Chromebook. To check internet speed, you can simply use a tool called fast.com. For that, open Chrome browser, visit fast.com and check your internet speed. However, if you're still not able to use Wi-Fi on your Chromebook, then you can simply try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. For that, simply open Settings application, click on Network option, then select the Wi-Fi network and select your connected Wi-Fi network and click on Forget button. After that, reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. For that, simply select the Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi network password. And here you can see your Chromebook has been connected to the Wi-Fi network. If you're still facing the issue, then you can troubleshoot connectivity issue with diagnostic tool. For that, simply open Settings, click on About Chrome OS, scroll down and here you'll find diagnostic option. Simply click on it to open the tool. Now here click on Connectivity option and wait for the test process to complete. After that, you can try to update your Chrome OS. For that, open Settings, click on About Chrome OS and check for the Chrome OS update. Once you have installed the Chrome OS update, simply restart the system to apply the changes. For that, click on Clock Wi-Fi and Battery icon, then click on Power icon, then click on Restart. And after that, simply connect to the Wi-Fi network. And this should fix the Wi-Fi issue on your Chromebook. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.